ones that never be swerving but chose to stay on the narrowest road.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to the Narrow Sounds channel. And this is probably my first ever official video on the Narrow Sounds channel, but it's pretty much going to be like a compilation of my best reactions of 2020 in the meantime as I get this channel running, because I really want to put the best effort into my videos and I don't want to keep you guys waiting for a long time. So in the meantime, these are my best reactions. And before we get going, this is the question of the day: which Christian rap song really got you hyped the most in 2021 so far? So I just want you guys to answer that question down below in the comment section, and also make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, enjoy the video.
Women get in it, they get it, then they live again. Good and generous, definitive, that's from the Genesis, unlimited, inhibited. Look at all of these witnesses, give you the businesses. Stop.
He's doing it again. You know the little digga, you know the fast rapping. He's doing it again.
So much up my wrist. People froze up, man, it must be a glitch. I'm so down to the blue like Stitch. Feeling my glitch like a scene from the glitch. Mami, buena party con la química completa. Yo sé que no soy atleta. Sé que Jesucristo va conmigo y no me suelta.
Pause it. Raul Garcia. Woo.
Circle tight round my bitch, drop the squares, we ain't 419ers.
Oh. Drop the squares, we ain't 419ers. Drop the squares, we ain't 419ers. You wanna stop? Rise to the top.
Ain't no blocking me, I just gotta be me. I am proud to be me. Got my squad around me. I need God around me. That's my pride in my city.
Supreme. Wednesday shopping and high ship and repeat. NG. Metaphor beef.
Put away, I had to get some things. I had to play and move away. Move to the A, miles away. And what y'all living this thing? All of my gang.
Cut it. That flow. See, she. Huh. Man, let's fight. Hey, chill. Christian the sea, managed by the Trinity. I guess my rivals leaving Messi to it like the Argentina trip. Just know that you read. Say what? Finger full of all I need.